What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at this gem right here, the INKPOT. Now, I don't know where they came up with the name for that. INKPOT. I don't. Oh, how these people come up with this crap. The INKPOT I06 Kids Training Drone. And it's got the standard fare on here. Oh, there's something about the company that makes it. And you got your flips, you know, it says safe and durable and headless mode. Yeah, okay. There's some stuff on there. Now, this doesn't have a camera or anything like that. It just has a light there on the front. So let's get it out of the, what does that say there? Okay, that's their email address. Okay, so let's get it out of the box and check it out. All right, there it is out of the box, and you see it's pretty plain. You get a manual, charger, 2 batteries, quadcopter, and a controller. And the batteries are 300s. Right there. 3.7 300s. Here's the quadcopter. There's the on and off switch right there. There's the light in the front. That's where you plug the battery. And it's got the nice modular batteries, which I like, actually. I actually like these. I think you stick it in this way in first and then just snap it in there like that. Yeah, great. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. Then you got the transmitter. I think you got some speed, oh, here's the speed up here. There's the light. You can turn the light on and off. I think that's a headless mode, and that's the power. One of these is the flip. I think it's this one. I'm not sure about this one, but I'm sure it does something. Let me look in the manual here real quick like. Oh, it does a self-rotation thing. Yeah, if you click on this, it'll you know, do 360s or whatever. So we're going to try that out here in a second. So let's just take it and turn it around here and take it off to see what it sounds like, and then we'll take it outside and fly it. When you start this INKPOT, okay, you turn on the quadcopter with this little power button right here. And then when you turn this on, you have to hold in the button. I think it's this one up here. Hold that in and then turn on the power. You'll hear them 3 beeps. And that unlocks all the modes. Because if you just turn it on and bind it, it'll just be in beginner mode and it won't do anything. The flips won't work, the rates won't change, anything like that. You have to hold this in up here when you turn on the power, and that'll unlock the pro mode or whatever you want to call it, you know. So you can do the flips and do all that other stuff. So here's the switch for the light, I believe. Right here, this one works. See? And then you got your rates over here. So we'll start it and take off in the first rate. We're just going to fly for a minute, then we're going to take it outside. Try a flip out real quick. Flip works great. So we just want to, that light's flashing because the battery's not charged all the way. I didn't put the charged battery in. I put the one that wasn't charged in just to try it out like this. I just wanted to show you guys how to turn that on because if you don't read the manual, of course, you're not going to know that and you're going to think the thing don't work. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that part. So we're going to take it out, fly it, test the battery, and I'll put the little timer thing in there like I always do. We'll get the flight time on it. All right, guys. We're out here with the INKPOT. Okay, so we're going to fly this little turn around and see how this thing rolls. Let's do the level calibration. We're going to turn the light off to get the maximum to get the maximum flight time out of it. Oh yeah, flies great. Look at this. Look at this. Great flyer. Wow. It's in the third rate right now. You see that? Wow. Really nice. Nice flip. Nice flip again. Funnel. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Real nice flyer. Man, this thing is so precise. Holy cow. Look at that speed. Okay, great. Let's check some range out here real quick. Okay, I'll just go straight down there. We gotta go low here because I don't want it to take off on me. Okay, so there's about 30 feet right there. Oh yeah, okay. I'd say the range is probably about 50 feet. Okay. No complaints there. Okay, let's try that little, it's that little mode that it has where it'll do its own little circle or something. I think that was pressing down on this button here. It does that rotating or something like that. So let's try that out real quick. There it goes. See? Okay, to stop that, you have to hit the button again. Okay. Let's try the rate 1. Very slow. Although it's better than I thought it was going to be. I thought the first rate would be actually a lot slower than this, but it's actually doing okay. There's no wind. Let's try the second rate. I'll put the flight time in, you know, like I always do, in a little corner. Yeah, the second rate's good. Third rate's better. Now, you know, I showed you when you turn it on, you have to hold in the one button there to unlock all the features. This is with all the features unlocked. I'm not flying it in the training mode. I don't need any training, okay? So, but you can do that. You can just, if you just turn it on and don't hold in one of the other buttons and bind it up, it'll go real slow, only in the first rate, and it won't flip, and it won't rotate. So it's just for, you know, teaching somebody in the living room how to fly it. So it does have the training mode. I'm just not trying it out. But it explains it in the booklet. Oh yeah, this thing is really nice, man. Wow. Oh, the red light's flashing, so it's on its way out. There it goes. All right, wow. INKPOT. The INKPOT training drone. Yeah, it's nice, man. Flies great. Wow. Very impressed with this thing. Holy cow. All right, guys. Have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.